Okay, here we go with a bit more of finding perimeters of composite shapes. Okay, so with this shape, question 4G, we have here a curved area, okay, and we have 3 straight lines. Okay, so we'll go back to the curved area. Now that is a semicircle. Okay, so we know that for the semicircle we need to use, and we have the diameter. The diameter of the semicircle is 1.2 meters. That's this, because it's this line here. Okay, so we need to use C equals pi times D. So it's a circumference, more or less a circumference. Okay, we'll stick with C. Okay, pi times 1.2. Now, because it is just a semicircle, we are going to divide that by 2. Okay, so it's not really a circumference. I'm just using the letter C there. Now, if we go like this, we apply that, put that into our calculator, that comes to 1.88 meters. Okay, so we've got to add that. We're being asked to find the total perimeter. So that's all 4 sides, the curved side and the 3 straight sides. So we have 1.88 meters plus 1.4 meters there, plus 1.4 meters there, plus 1.2 meters there. Okay, if we add all that up together, we get 5.68 meters. All right, now with later questions, we are given the diameter or the radius and asked, we are given the circumference and asked to find the diameter or the radius. Okay, so it's the reverse. So if we start here with this, our equation to find the circumference. Okay, now if we want to, just get rid of that line. If we want to get the diameter by itself, we know from solving linear equations that we can divide both sides by pi. Okay, whoops, they cancel each other out. So therefore, a rearrangement of that is the diameter equals the circumference divided by pi. Okay, now same with this one. If we want to get the radius by itself, then we know we can divide both sides by 2 pi. 2 pi divided by 2 pi. Okay, they cancel each other out, and we have the radius equals circumference divided by 2 pi. Now, if we look at the questions 11a, it's being asked to find the diameter given the circumference. Okay, so we want this formula, the one that contains diameter and circumference in their formula. Okay, so D equals circumference divided by pi, therefore D equals 18.84 divided by pi. Pop that in the calculator and it pops out pretty much exactly to 6 meters. Okay, and here for question 12, we're being asked to find the radius given the circumference. Okay, here we want this formula. It only has radius and circumference in it, as well as pi, but radius and circumference are the only 2 variables. Okay, so we will write R equals, instead of, we'll use the formula, I'll write the formula right out. R equals 12.62 divided by 2 pi. Or I might actually, hang on, I'll write 2 times pi there, because that's the way you would do it in the calculator. Okay, now put a bracket around there, because you're going to do that in the calculator. If you don't do that, the calculator will multiply by pi instead of dividing by pi. Okay, now that comes to pretty much 2 centimetres exactly. Okay, please now go on to complete all questions up to 15. Thank you.